Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.
Okay, let's go. It's almost sunset. Look at those beautiful clouds. Wow, that's just amazing. Haven't seen that before. So now here we wait. That's gonna go green. We wait. Pedestrian crossing first, but those clouds are beautiful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Absolutely stunning. Such a beautiful city. It's so majestic. I wonder if I'm gonna be sick. I had some weird food now. It's supposed to be bangers and mash, but it was more like a carb-free version, so it was bangers, avo, spinach, and mushrooms, and one soft-boiled egg. But it wasn't fresh. It was made earlier today. Put it in the fridge and then reheat it now. Hope I don't get sick. We'll see. We'll see. Not sure what the plans are for this evening. It is quite late already, middle of the week. Payday's not yet, payday's only tomorrow, so don't want to be spending unnecessary money yet. Gotta make it just one more night. We'll be out riding. I wonder if we're gonna do a ride this weekend or how plans are looking for this weekend. I'm not sure. That's cold. It was so warm in town, but not so chilly here. Oh my god. And this morning, I was like, it's like 32 degrees today. I'm not gonna be indoors or whatever. I'm gonna be outside while the sun is up. So I'm like, let's just wear a hoodie and fucking Vans. That may have been not the right choice. Because now it's chilly. Now I'm feeling it. This building is coming along quite nicely, but they're very overpriced with their pricing. It's in an industrial area, but now they want to put up like an apartment, and they want to ask 1.5 million for a studio apartment, I believe. That's crazy. It should be like 700,000, if that. It's industrial areas, trucks everywhere, a lot of road noise. No one's gonna want to live here, but I think they advertise it as almost sold out. Okay. And I thought I was bad. Just t-shirt. That's worse than me. At least I got a hoodie on. Come, Swifty. Okay. Swifty's got some go. It's quite cold, but let's go. stop. Wait a minute. Ah, my fuel's dropping so much. I'm gonna cry. I really don't want to put in fuel tomorrow. It's what? Tuesday today. Wednesday. Yeah, I should probably put in fuel tomorrow. God damn it. 94 kilometers out of, what is that, 5 liters? Wait. No, that's not right. 10 liters. Almost 11. Wait, that means my calculations are correct. Because if that's 10 liters to fill up, oh my god, my fuel consumption is bad.